Today I'm going to show you how to make the fancy kind of pattern on a peanut butter cookie. So first you make balls of your peanut butter cookie dough like that in sugar, and then you put them on your cookie sheet. Okay, so then you make the ball, roll it in sugar, and then put it over here on your pan. Then once you have a full pan of your peanut butter cookie, you take it. This is a full pan of them. All you do is take a big pronged fork and you go from one side to the other side, one side to the other side, and you do every cookie like that. Dip your fork in sugar, just go back and forth, just like that, and it makes the fancy designs that you see in peanut butter cookies at the store. Just go back and forth like that for all of them. Then you bake it 365 for 12 to 15 minutes and you're done. See how nice and pretty they look after you put the indents in? Now this cookie recipe, I mixed up 1 cup of Crisco, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of milk, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 2 well-beaten eggs, and 2 cups of flour. And the recipe will be at the end of the video for you. So again, all you do is dip your fork in sugar and just go back and forth, just like that. Back and forth, back and forth. And you get the fancy little pattern in everybody's peanut butter cookie. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you made the cookies. Thank you.